Welcome to 309 West Street North in Old Town Alexandria. Located between Princess and Queen, we're in a quiet neighborhood and yet still in the heart of everything Alexandria has to offer. 4/10 of a mile from the Metro, half a mile from the VRE, 3 blocks from King Street, and less than a mile to all of the shops, restaurants, and nightlife of Old Town and the Waterfront. Let's take a look. For more information or to schedule an in-person tour, please visit 309west.com. Thank you.